In this module, we will talk about political economy. That I earlier mentioned that how political decisions or political forces make a serious impact on economy. In the same way, economic factors, economic decisions make a serious impact on any political phenomena. Political and economic fields are mutually dependent on each other. Political economy serves as the basis of government decision making. It is characterized by making use of political power to deal economic resource. Political decisions are highly influenced by political decisions. If we see that all those economic decisions, when they are highly influenced by political decisions, we understand that no economic phenomena can be perceived or observed without any political decision. Politics is preferred to the art and science of government. Who gets what, when, and how? You may call it that politics is a process that believes in sustaining power or finding authority through legitimate means. Economy, system of production and exchange, rational and optimum allocation of resources, and accumulation and distribution of wealth. You may call very simply, if you want to make someone realize that what is economy, you may say that it is a science or it is the study of consumption, production, and producing of wealth. If you see this slide, that how both political and economic phenomena are interdependent upon each other and they make a serious impact upon each other. For example, there was a 9/11 incident happened in America and how it made a serious impact on the economic systems of the world wherever the diaspora of any country was working in the United States of America. That country's economy was highly influenced owing to that act of terrorism. So any political action make a serious impact. Recently, you could see that how Trump government make a serious impact on the economy of United States of America. Our economic politics is defined as the use of political power in order to determine the political distribution of limited economic resources. It incorporates government and market. It is influenced by the type of government, monarchy, autocracy, and democracy, etc. So it means that any political and economic activity is integrated with each other, and how the central authority in any state exploit these two phenomena together to get more advantage for the more people of the country. Economic politics is also defined as the use of political power in order to determine the political optimal distribution of limited economic resources. It incorporates government and market. It is influenced by the type of government, monarchy, autocracy, and democracy, etc. It can exist in domestic as well as international level. The form of government definitely make an influence upon the political and economic systems of the state. Domestic level is confined to the use of political power to deal economic resources in countries, whereas international level involves the use of political power of government to deal economic resources between two or more than two countries. For example, Association of Southeast Asian Nations and European Union. If you could see that both are the regional organizations and making a serious impact on the political and economic phenomena of the concerned countries. Political factors can influence economic policy. Economic arrangements also influence political decisions. Both are highly integrated and interdependent upon each other.